Hey guys, it's been a while. I know I'm not in the middle of the shot. Yeah, this is like little time I got me forget how to do things. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, there's so much going on right now in the background. Like, man, I need to clean up. Like, I'm just like, let me get this out of the way. Alright, so guys, you know, this is not really me, the old dolled up me. This is not me. Unless I'm going out or a special occasion, I'll try a little thing. And if I really like feel like to come on the internet all dolled up, you know. Guys, if you see this is my pillow, and I just rest it on my feet here because it's soft and I have something to like feel and play with, whatever. So yeah guys, I was gonna go somewhere, but it didn't go as planned. As you know, like by the time I'm recording this is when the whole Sarah Dust saga is going on, you know, and I'm in Jamaica and it's going, like the Sarah Dust is going, because I'm allergic. Like, everybody is allergic to dust, but mine can affect me in such a way whereas, you know, it cause I'm not putting nothing on myself and I wish nothing on myself, but yeah, where I was going, just the effect of the dust led me to say, you know what, let me just stay in and not bother myself. So I'm just like, why waste this whole, you know, look when I could do something productive in terms of coming back on my channel and just give you guys a little update of what's been happening with your girl. Nothing drastic, nothing major. I've just been busy, guys, busy with work. You know, it doesn't allow me enough time to record and edit, but I do want to come back on the net, on the internet, on YouTube. Still trying to wrap my mind as to what I want to do, but I was saying to myself I'll continue with what I'm passionate about in terms of baking and my faith. Yeah, so there's gonna be a time that I want to post about what I love to do in terms of baking, and there are gonna be times I want to come on and say something as it relates to my faith or the word of God, or, you know. This is just a little mini video that I am okay. Your girl is good. Your girl is just like tired, you know, a bit tired, a bit trying to wrap my head around certain things. Yeah, trying to get my life together. And yeah, guys, I recently bought this book. So one of my favorite YouTubers is Miss Yolanda Gampp. Not sure, some of you won't be crazy about this because, you know, yeah. So I got this layer up book by Miss Yolanda Gampp. So you know my baking I got turn up here now, you know. I got turn up till it buck. So yeah, so there's like some cakes recipe here. I don't know if it's like copyright if I open the book and show you pages, but I'm planning to, when I get the time that is, and if I can record, you know, would you guys like that? Like whatever I want to bake, like try out of this book you'd like me to record. Yeah, but one of my favorite YouTubers that does a lot of baking videos, different baking techniques and so on, she released this book called Layer Up, and I can't wait to get started. That's how passionate I am. Nothing much, guys, just think it would be right to give you guys a little update that I'm still here. Thanks be to God, you know, because the way the time I go and the world I go, it's a blessing to be alive and well, so can't complain. And I hope you guys are well, you know. Hope you guys are well. I was gonna show you like a specific, well, one of the things that was on my agenda to try in this book was the, let me see here, cheesecake, red velvet cheesecake, I believe. Yeah, this was my #1 thing to try. So let's see how that goes when I get started. Yeah, guys, yeah, I don't know what much to say. It's weird being back, and yeah, But thank you guys for sticking with me. If you're still subscribed, guys, do not mind this box. It's where the book came in. As I said, guys, my room needs to be clean, to be honest. But thank you guys for sticking by me, for tuning in, and I hope each and every one of you that tune into this channel, as small as it is for now, thank you for sticking by me. And yeah, thank you if you're watching this even right now, because I know that usually when people do YouTube, will do videos, no care how small their platform may be, after a while they don't get back the subscribers that they once had, or the view isn't up like one time, or whatever the case may be. So if you're watching this, I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and thank you for your time, and thank you for your patience. I just hope that I'll be back into a frame of mind, as a space where I can do videos consistently, because I really do enjoy it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, one of my drive of doing YouTube was to make money from it, especially now doing a job that I really don't enjoy. But I'm thankful to God that I have something to do, and it helps me in different aspects, in different ways, financially, you know. But it's like it brings me back to doing YouTube, where I did things at my own pace, you know. I enjoy it, you know, but it wasn't like driving me to continue, because I'm like, I'm not making nothing from this, you know. But while doing the actual job, is like I still in that frame of mind that I really enjoy doing YouTube, you know. It's really fun. It's really, yeah, something about it, you know. I don't know if it's like seeing yourself or whatever, I don't know, other comments or I don't know, but it's really fun. It's not just about the money. It's like, especially me wanting to share faith-based videos, it's about now getting the word out there in different ways, you know, through my personality. And yeah, it's not just gonna be drive from money. But to be honest, every YouTuber think about that at some point when it comes to money, especially if you're in a place where you're not making money and you want to make money, and you know this is a pathway, you're gonna consider YouTube, you know. Or if you're starting YouTube. But when I first started out, it wasn't for the sake of money. It was me like looking up to people like Petite, Sue, Divinity, who did a lot of makeup videos. Cause I think, if I don't lie, my first video was about like how to do your eyebrows, something to do with makeup. And that really drive me to start my channel, because I really just love when I watch the people, so they do their videos, their aesthetic, something about it really drew me in why I started. It wasn't the money, but I guess after a while it was somewhat at the back of my mind that I could make something from this, you know. And I guess somewhere along the way, I don't see it happening, it somewhat steered that drive to not really push so much, you know. And not just that, as I said, being busy with work, it really doesn't allow me much time to record, and sometimes I just feel mentally exhausted, if I'm being honest, you know. I just want to be in a space where I can able to create again, you know, and just get my mind together, if that makes any sense. But overall, I really do enjoy doing YouTube. I wish I had somebody to edit, because editing is not my favorite. I don't do it because like it saves me money, you know, and I can cut things out I probably don't want people to cut for me, because I don't really like sending certain things to people. I'm just a bit old-fashioned, you know. Certain things I feel like it just kept for you to do on your own, if that makes sense. But I was considering at one point to hire somebody to edit, but yeah, I don't know about that anymore. I hope this is centered. I really do think it's not. Let me just turn it around here. But yeah, guys, I don't want this to be long, because I feel like some parts just really make any sense, and I don't want to just create like a senseless video. Yeah, guys, thank you again for tuning in. Yeah, tell me in the comment section if you want to see me do certain videos, like what you like me to do, you know. Do you guys enjoy my videos? So like, I need your honest feedback. I know my video hasn't like had like a specific niche or whatever, but yeah, let me know, guys. And thank you again for tuning in. And until next time, if God's willing, bye. Bye, guys.